Hi folks, how you doing? It's Des Catties. In this video I want to continue on with sort of like stuff I've been talking about, compact kit and stuff like that, and what I want to do is share with you. You all have seen me using my little cooking kit, my frying pan kit that I've been using, so I just want to share with you all the gear that's in there, so stay tuned. So this is my sort of kind of frying pan kit where I keep my plate in it and such like. Okay, basically I've made up one, you know, most people would have seen these sort of leather. This is just a piece of upholstery leather with a piece of paracord on there and a bit of antler as a toggle, and it basically just keeps it all together as it is a drawstring, and keeps my little kit tidy together, stops getting all the carbon and such like on your other kit that you got carrying inside your rucksack. Now the reason why I like using, why I've kind of gone down this road is, don't get me wrong, I love other frying pans, I love the Litec frying pans and stuff like that with the high walls, but the reason what I wanted was something thinner and obviously a little bit lighter, so I opted for one of these titanium frying pans. Now in there I've got all my bits and pieces that I use, obviously, for, you know, you'll see it in the videos, all my other stuff. So I've got the frying pan, or the plate as it were. Okay, it's been working very well for me. It's by Life Venture, obviously very light. It is a plate. Some people complain about the flimsiness of it, but it is titanium, it is lightweight, and obviously it's nice and compact, and it ticks the boxes for me. When I first got it, I didn't sort of go in it straight away and start frying bacon and eggs and everything else, because like most metals, they all need a little bit of seasoning. And with this, when I wash it, I only wash it out now in a little bit of water just to get the fat out of it. Other than that, it's left as it is. I've been frying eggs in it now, and bacon and stuff like that, and it's been, the stickiness is no way as bad as it first was. But then again, I wasn't burning fried eggs and stuff like that in it. As I say, if you were to use a pan with Teflon, that was, if it's Teflon coated and such and stuff like that. All right, the only extra bits that I've put in now is a little plate. The plate is actually really good. The plate for me, it was just, you know, nothing, it's just an obscure plate that I picked up somewhere, and it just fits lovely. It cradles nicely inside that pan. Then also what I do is I keep a piece of leather. The leather, basically I can use it for a couple of things. One, I can use it to you know, it's easy to wipe off, and I can food prep on it if I so wish, and then just wipe it off after. And also it stops stuff from rattling around inside the little kit that I've got. All right, then I keep a bottle of oil, okay, a titanium spork, a little spatula that I made, and this just fits lovely inside the plate as well. And then finally what I have in there is a handle. Now you can make up handles with pieces of hazel and stuff like that and just slide it on there, but I think it's just as easy just to carry this handle, and it obviously does the job of being able to clamp the pan in place when I'm using it over the fire. All right, so there it is. That is my compact frying pan kit. So we've got the pan, we've got the plate, we've got the spatula, the titanium spork, the oil, and the holder, the leather pad, and then it all packs away nicely into my the little drawstring pouch. All right, folks, so there it is. Okay, nothing, you know, nothing special, nothing over the top, but it's working for me. I really do, you know, I really do enjoy sort of testing out and working out sort of little bits of kit that's more practical for me. It sits inside my stubing, doesn't take up a lot of space, obviously because the walls are not as high on the pan, and it's, you know, obviously being titanium, it's lightweight. Even with all the other accessories, it doesn't weigh in at high weight anyway. So I hope you like that video. Might give you some ideas, might not, who knows. But anyway, there it is. That's my compact frying pan kit. Okay, my cook kit. Obviously, you know, I've got other pots and pans and stuff like that, but this is my go-to right now that I've been using for about sort of maybe 4 or 5 months. All right, so please check out the description, folks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Appreciate all your feedback. Okay, take care, and I'll see you on the next video.